coincidence with us. Now, I would like to invite our guest speaker, Ms. Gulmeher Kaur. She's a writer as well as a radio and video broadcaster who has worked in India, UK, Dubai, and recently in United States. She has degrees in Indian history and mass communication from JMC, Jesus and Mary College, Delhi University, and MCRC from Jamia Millia Islamia. Ma'am, please. And we thank you, ma'am, for your precious time and accepting our invite on a very, very short notice.
My pleasure. Thank you, Zina. Thank you for that nice introduction. Saryanu Sat Shri Akal, Namaste, Adab. I thank the organizers of this organization, IRA, for giving me a platform to speak and pay my respects to, pay my tribute to Sardar Milkha Singh Ji and Nirmal Kaur Sahiba. I had not really prepared a formal speech, and in any case, we live in an age of information glut, in fact, where Wikipedia will give you a complete backgrounder on anyone in 2 minutes. So, and the death is so recent that one is still at an experiential stage. One is still feeling it more than being able to be totally cerebral about it and intellectualize too much. So I will just share my thoughts and feelings with you, and won't take up too much of your time. People say when someone passes away at the age at which Milkha Singh Ji did, at 91, they say at the ripe old age of 91, and he was very fit, mashallah, till the end, till COVID struck. People say that, oh, he lived his life, puri zindagi unhone ji aur apni sharton pe ji, and is tarah ki baatein jo रस्मन बातें कही जाती हैं किसी के गुजरने पर, अगर कोई 90 की उम्र को पार करके गुजरता है. People say he lived his life. But I'm still indescribably sad. I can't quite put my finger on it right now as to why one is so sad. Ek to वैसे भी, COVID is, it's taking a toll on our India is particularly badly hit by COVID, and it's taking a toll on all of us. We've all lost near and dear ones. So it's, you feel, okay, one more great, lost. But एक वो शेर मुझे याद आता है, शायद मैं इसकी अदायगी पूरे दुरुस्त अंदाज में ना कर पाऊं, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ याद है ये शेर, और शायर का नाम मुझे नहीं याद. अगर आप में से किसी को पता हो तो जरूर बताइएगा. लेकिन शेर कुछ यूं है कि चांद के साथ कई गम पुराने निकले, चांद के साथ कई गम पुराने निकले, कितने गम हैं जो तेरे गम के बहाने निकले. तो कभी-कभी क्या होता है that you are grieving the death of one person, but along with that, so much else comes out, and you're grieving all of that as well. So Milkha Singh Ji was not just a person. He represented values. He was the pride of Punjab. He was the pride of the Sikh community, of Punjabis, of Indians, of the sporting community. Many in Pakistan consider him one of their own. So he was, people say that, oh, he lived his full life, but I feel indescribably sad at his passing. And it's the end of an era. It's the end of an era. It's the end of, I don't want to say the end of India as we know it, but it's certainly the end of an era. And he represented certain values that we hold dear. And to a lot of the youth, he became more accessible. His life, his heroic life story became more accessible after the film came out in 2013, I believe that was. So a lot of young people got to know about his extraordinary life. And for me, as somebody, who's been, India is a cricket crazy nation, but I was always more of a hockey girl because my father would take me to watch hockey matches. And Milkha Singh Ji was also, part of the Indian Army, and through that got a platform to the army gave him a vehicle. The talent was his own, was very much his own. So my father would always talk about Milkha Singh Ji as a hero for him, as a role model for him. And in today's India, what strikes me about Milkha Singh Ji, मतलब उन sportsmen के तौर पे तो मुझसे बेहतर लोग होंगे उनके बारे में बात करने के लिए. और ये बात जो काजू साहब ने भी कही कि अगर उनको वो facilities मिलती जिनके वो हकदार थे, he would have been, the sky would have been the limit for him. And despite the odds, he achieved so much and did us proud. But I just want to make a few limited points about the way he was as a human being. And that's especially important in today's India. because in today's India there is a kind of masculinity that is at play. जिस तरह की मर्दानगी आज के हिंदुस्तान में दिखती है हमें, जो कि सर चढ़ के बोल रही है, उसमें वल्नरेबिलिटी की कहीं गुंजाइश नहीं है. So the remarkable thing about Milkha Singh ji was that he was so authentic. You know, अगर वो बात बंटवारे में इतना खोया उन्होंने, बंटवारे में इतना खोया, he lost his parents, he lost siblings, they were killed before his eyes. But what was his takeaway from all that violence? उससे कोई बहुत मतलब तल्ख भी हो सकता था, बिटर भी हो सकता था, और थे काफी अरसे तक थे. But eventually इंसान की जो फितरत होती है वो सामने आती है. तो उसमें भी उस बंटवारे की में इतना खोने के बावजूद, इतने कत्लेआम में खोने के बावजूद उनका टेकअवे क्या था? उनका टेकअवे ये था कि मैं जब भाग रहा था और एक हुजूम था मुसलमानों का जो हिंदुओं और सिखों को मार रहा था, और दूसरी तरफ वही बात, हिंदुस्तान में मुसलमान मारे जा रहे थे, पंजाब में हिंदू और सिख मारे जा रहे थे. तो उनका टेक अवे क्या था? जो उनकी किताब जो उन्होंने अपनी साहबजादी अपनी बेटी के साथ लिखी, द रेस ऑफ माई लाइफ, उसमें वो कहते हैं कि मैं भाग रहा था, मेरे वालिद साहब ने कहा भाग मिल्खा भाग, इस वजह से वो फिल्म का नाम पड़ा भाग मिल्खा भाग. मैं भाग रहा था तो मैं एक मुसलमान औरतें थी, मुसलमान खवातीन थी, मैं उनके पीछे जाके उनकी बोगी में जाके छुप गया और मैंने उनसे रहम की भीख मांगी और मैंने कहा कि बीबी यू नो प्लीज सेव मी, प्लीज डोंट टेल देम कि मैं ये सरदार लड़का यहाँ पे छुपा हुआ है. और उन मुसलमान औरतों ने उनको बचा लिया, मतलब उन्होंने नहीं बताया उस उस कातिल हुजूम को, उस कातिल मॉब को, जो कि इत्तेफाकन मुसलमान था, सिख भी हो सकता था, हिंदू भी हो सकता था. तो वक्त की बात है, टाइम की बात है. तो ये टेक अवे इतना कुछ कि मेरे लिए कहना आसान है, हाँ, कई लोगों के लिए बातें करना आसान होता है, लेकिन इतना कुछ खोने के बाद ये सबक लेना अपनी जिंदगी में, इतनी वल्नरेबिलिटी, इतनी ईमानदारी, एंड फॉर मी दैट्स जस्ट द मोस्ट रिमार्केबल थिंग अबाउट हिम. और जो स्पोर्ट्स में उन्होंने किया वो दैट इज ओवर एंड अबव दैट, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात ये कि वो इंसान कितने अच्छे थे. इसीलिए मुझे ये शेर याद आया कि चांद के साथ कई गम, चांद के साथ कई गम पुराने निकले, कितने गम हैं जो तेरे गम के बहाने निकले. So I thank you for giving me an opportunity to pay homage, to pay tribute to an extraordinary man who has inspired us, और जिनकी खला, जिनकी कमी, महरूमी हमें हमेशा महसूस होगी. तो मैं उनको झुक के प्रणाम करती हूँ. बहुत शुक्रिया जी आप.